In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. Ups and downs of the life are quite natural, but some of the people are seen quite often in the crisis. Some of the people are crisis prone people. These people might blame the luck. Usually, they people are found blaming their luck. Usually, these people are found blaming their families and certain other people as well. But I am of the view that it is they themselves. It is they themselves who are responsible for it. Their planning and their decision making are quite dangerous, quite flawed, quite erroneous. Having an erroneous planning and decision making, nobody can protect oneself from the trouble, from the crisis. While some of the people have to face the crisis after crisis after crisis. Nobody is to blame but they themselves. Usually, the people, especially these people who are found grappling with the crisis, these people don't accept the responsibility. They will point the fingers, put the blame upon several people, and will not be willing to take the responsibility. They might say that I am responsible, but these and these and these people are the reason for this failure of mine, for this crisis of mine. The trouble is that they fail to understand that it is our own responsibility. It is the responsibility of each and every individual to protect themselves from the crisis and to put themselves upon the path on the path of stability and prosperity, or at least a gradual development. But protecting oneself from the crisis, it is not the responsibility of anyone else, rather it is the responsibility of each and every individual as far their own lives are concerned. I am of the view that if a person is found facing the trouble, the problem quite often, quite usually, I can say with enough amount of confidence that their planning and their decision making is faulty, and it is quite faulty. So there are certain necessary steps to be taken, otherwise this issue, otherwise this problem of the faulty decisions, this problem of the faulty planning will keep going on, and the person will feel more and more under the crisis, more and more under the pressure, and bankruptcy becomes unavoidable. I think so. The right thing, if at all somebody is in a situation like this one, then there are certain cares and certain cautions to be taken care of. Otherwise, not only that this problem, this crisis like situation will continue and will keep recurring at a high frequency. So the right thing is, I think so. Why not to discover why not to explore a kind of solution for a problem like this one? In my opinion, if at all somebody is suffering from this like problem, what he she needs to do is that they should not be in a hurry to make a decision, although it is needed and it is necessary somehow to keep preparing and to prepare it well. As far each decision making is concerned, it deserves and it demands quite a good amount of exploration and homework and preparation and speaking to the people and discussion to the people. And this decision, any decision, should not be done in a haste, if at all, if it is not a trivial one. As for all the major decisions are concerned, as for all the important decisions are concerned, I think so that the person should put a kind of ban upon oneself, that I cannot make the decision, I cannot take a decision, and unless and until I do take care of it for these number of days or even weeks, whatever suits according to the situation, according to the decision being made. The more important the decision is, I think the more careful consideration is needed, and eventually more time is needed as well. We nobody should spoil the time. Nobody should not make a decision without giving it a proper time, without giving it a proper preparation, because the people who are found in the crisis after crisis, these are the people who have a kind of disease, who have a kind of trouble and a kind of problem, that they don't wait and they don't have the patience, and due to lack of the patience, due to lack of the waiting period, they people make a wrong decision, because whatever comes to their mind, they usually take it, they usually accept it. As a matter of fact, everything else should not be accepted like this one. Whatever is there as an impulse of ours, we should not be taking it. Rather, we should give a very good amount of time to each and every decision we do have to make. Not only this thing, rather we need to discuss, we need to seek the advice of the wise and sincere people, the sincere people and the sensible people as well. We need their advice actually, and then having taken their advice, I think that we can somehow implement it and practice it. We should not be making a decision upon ourselves alone, because if at all we do this, then the crisis after crisis situation will continue, and we will not be able to immunize ourselves from a situation, from circumstances like this one. And if at all we are willing to immunize ourselves from a crisis after crisis situation, then I think so it is as simple as this one. Jazakallah.